2025 Lincoln Navigator stands as a commanding presence in the world of luxury SUVs, combining bold American styling with advanced technology and unmatched interior comfort. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Navigator's sheer size, gleaming chrome accents, and signature Lincoln grille signal authority and elegance. The white exterior, accented with sleek LED headlights and sculpted body lines, reflects the light in a way that turns heads both on city streets and in the showroom. Step inside and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a vehicle interior. Plush leather seats with intricate stitching, real wood trims, brushed aluminum finishes, and ambient LED lighting create an atmosphere of serene luxury. The front seats offer multiple massage functions, heating and cooling options, while the second row captain's chairs and spacious third row ensure that every passenger rides in complete comfort. The panoramic sunroof above floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the airy and open feel of the interior. Got technology in the 2025 Navigator is both intuitive and immersive. The digital instrument cluster and massive touchscreen infotainment system place everything you need right at your fingertips. Whether it's navigation, entertainment, or climate control, every function is easily accessible through voice command or smooth touch gestures. Lincoln's new generation SYNC system delivers seamless smartphone integration and an ultra-responsive user experience. The Revel Ultimate 28-speaker sound system surrounds you with studio-quality audio, turning every drive into a concert-like experience. Under the hood, the Navigator is powered by a refined 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The powertrain delivers robust acceleration, confident highway cruising, and smooth gear changes, all while maintaining impressive efficiency for a vehicle of its size. Whether you're gliding down the freeway or navigating through tight city streets, the Navigator's adaptive suspension and road preview technology work together to provide an exceptionally smooth and stable ride. Advanced safety features come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that gives you full awareness of your surroundings. Lincoln's Active Glide hands-free driving system brings a new level of convenience on supported highways, letting you relax while staying fully engaged. On the outside, the white paint is complemented by bold chrome trim, multi-spoke alloy wheels, and striking LED taillights that wrap around the rear for a futuristic look. Every detail is thoughtfully designed to enhance both style and function. From its powerful presence to its silent, luxurious ride, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. Whether you're chauffeuring clients, traveling with family, or simply enjoying the journey solo, the Navigator delivers an unmatched blend of sophistication, capability, and comfort.